Hi homies, today we're changing your life with a 60-second tutorial for fresh cranberry sauce. You will never need a can opener again. Here's what you'll need for this recipe, super simple, and of course our main ingredient will be these gorgeous fresh cranberries. Start by bringing 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar to a boil. Once it's boiling, add in all of the cranberries. They'll start to pop as they heat up, and when they open, this creates the jelly. Just bring it back up to a boil, and while that's coming together, we can work on the orange. We're going to need the zest and the juice of 1 whole orange. When you're zesting, you want to be sure to only take the colorful part of the orange without getting down into the white. Now, I'm extra, so I'm making a garnish. I'm going to roll the orange so that it's easier to squeeze by hand. Then, just squeeze the orange directly into the pot. Add the orange zest and some fresh cracked black pepper. The pepper is the secret ingredient that really elevates the flavor and cuts the sweetness just a little bit to make this perfect. Once your cranberry sauce has been cooking for 10 minutes, move it off the heat and let it cool. And that's it. This recipe is so easy and delicious, you'll never buy canned cranberry sauce again. Put this on the table and you're sure to impress. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to join the family. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.